company called Outin sent me this. It's an espresso maker. Now, usually for espresso, when I'm camping, this is what I use. The problem is the base is small and doesn't fit on a lot of the bigger burner stoves. You have to use a smaller burner stove. Makes good espresso though. But when they sent me this is battery operated. And what's really cool about it is, so this right here is for the pods, and this uses the Nespresso pods. And one thing you got to be careful with is they don't tell you this in the directions, but you got to use the older style, not the newer compact style. Then with that, you also have a filter for just regular coffee. It has a built-in heater. It allows, so you can go ahead and preheat cold water, which goes up in here, and a little coffee scooper. And this is nice. Get a little sidetrack. When you're doing loose grounds, this is the actual measurement. You stick it in, you can see it's designed, and you turn around and you can tap it in. It's got little markers back here. The only problem with these markers, they're handy, it's just they're sometimes kind of hard to see unless you have good sunlight or you're wearing reading glasses, which unfortunately I have to do. You can also go ahead and just use hot water also, and it actually speeds up the process. So what I got here is got some hot water. I'm not gonna say what brand of coffee this is. Just all nice and easy. And then you just hold it for a couple seconds. And right now, it's preheating again because the water, though it's hot, it still has to go through a basic heat cycle. So I'm going to go ahead and speed it up here and get back to the brewing part shortly. And that is it. Got a nice hot cup of espresso. And I do a lot of coffee ground or ground espresso, but I'm sorry, that is just too easy. If you're interested in this, I'll go ahead and leave a link to their site in the comment below or description below, and have yourselves a good day.